These summertime products are selling extremely well on Etsy. Like this product here that has already made 35 sales just in a few weeks. And this product here that is clearly making sales on Etsy with 19 people who bought this in the last 24 hours. And there's multiple products just like this that is doing extremely well. But in today's video, I'll share with you how to sell these products even better by taking different styles like this that has clearly made sales in a totally different niche, but how to take this style and reimagine this for the summertime niche. This is explosive if you can learn how to do this, because when I head over to summertime, there is nothing truly like it on Etsy that's following the current design styles. But if you know the simple prompt I use to get these type of products, this is going to be an easy win for you when trying to sell these products on Etsy. I'll share this all with you coming up next. This summer product on Etsy is already a popular now and a bestseller. And then you can see there's multiple products that are doing extremely well for the summer niche. And if you're not creating for the summer, you could be missing out on huge opportunities to make sales in your Etsy shop. Now, there's a lot of popular demanding items on Etsy already that are doing extremely well. And when I look at these products, I always think about what are the colors, the phrases, the people, and the elements that are doing well. And we can see this design here is clearly doing well on Etsy, more specifically because of this outline design that's basic, but it's also very trending. It's doing extremely well. And they're also adding in these popular phrases. Now, again, we're looking at designs that are PNGs, but to be quite honest with you, if you're selling digital products or physical products, I think the best place to start is with PNG products. As you see, most of the trends will live here. But you can see these products are doing extremely well. Definitely tons of views. Again, tons of favorites already. And this is just going to be one of those products that scale even further. But what I learned from this is that popular phrases are doing well on Etsy in regards to this space here. So one of the areas I want to be mindful of is how can I create designs based upon phrases, but again, always add in something new, a new variation, a new style to this that can do extremely well. Now, as I'm looking at this, not only do I see phrases doing well, but I also see certain elements to do well. And one of the elements I find to do well for this summer area is sea life creatures that are doing extremely well, like the starfish. We see the sea turtles, the whales, and what have you. These here are clearly going to be elements that people will expect to see when they purchase these summertime products. So if you're able to dial in just these two small areas, right? What is the popular phrases that are doing well? What are the elements in this space that are doing well? You can actually sell extremely well here. And I want to share with you a very easy way to combine popular elements, popular phrases into current design styles that can help you sell well. Now, in order for us to do this, I'm going to use my custom built tool called Creative Prompt. This is tied in with my membership community where I give you this creative tool, but also my membership teach you the overall system of how to sell well. If you want to get access to my tool, which again allows you to create high quality products with very little prompting, almost no prompting at all. You can remix designs, upscale them, remove the background, everything you would need to do to sell these. If you want to get access to everything I'm talking about in today's video, it'll be down in my description box below. So that being said, I want to head over to my Creative Prompt tool, and specifically, I want to head over to my Remix Studio, because from here, we're going to upload a reference image so the AI know exactly the overall style, the overall layout we want to target, but then we're going to add in some changes here to really change this up and to fit our niche. So that being said, I want to head over to T-shirt pre-prompt, head over to the background to be white. I'm going to leave this blank for right now. And I want to use the reference image of a top seller design that we found. Here is a design we found to do extremely well on Etsy. The element with anything Sea Life is going to do well. But if you look at the similarities of this design here, along with this one here, we can see they're both bringing in that unique, simple yet unique background that obviously is definitely trending on Etsy. So our goal here is not to copy, but to fall in line with what is working, but add in something new to variation that we can sell well here. So with that being said, I'm going to head back over into my Remix Studio, upload this as a reference image here. And again, the only reason why I'm doing this is so that the AI knows the overall style I want, but I want to change this up to fit my own. I'm going to go ahead and crop this, and I'm going to put in this very basic prompt. It's going to allow me to change the niche, add in different phrases, add in different elements here to make our design stand out. All right, so for our prompt, this is what we were able to put in where we said change the color, themes, and elements to different themes. and add in the proper text. And we said, make this say sun, salt, and sand, as that is a popular phrase we found on Etsy for the beach theme. And then we say here, change the fish to be all sea turtles. And this is what we were able to get as a result. I think this came out great. Here's another example of what came out great as well. Again, this one definitely followed the overall style that seems to work well. And then this one here. And I like creating in 4 variations because, as you can see, we have multiple options to choose from, and you never know which one is going to do well. So being that we gave ourselves multiple options, we have multiple things to choose from. I think all of these came out well, and I think this can be an easy win, in my humble opinion, when you are trying to create products. Now, I think there's another way as well to create for this space to really fill in the gap even further. So we already know that sea life creatures are doing well. We can go on Etsy and see obviously tons of things here tied to sea life creatures, like this example we have already identified. But one of the things that I don't see here is this popular patchwork style that has clearly worked well for other seasons. And when I head over to the summer trends here, I really don't see a lot of patchwork being incorporated here. Again, I see a lot of sea life creatures that are doing well, but nothing really representing that patchwork style. I went ahead over to patchwork, and I'm going to grab this chicken patchwork that is clearly unrelated to the summer, but you'll see how amazing this can be when you use creative prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as a reference image. Again, I'm using this because it's already a bestseller. I know it's doing extremely well with sales here. I'm going to head back over into my creative prompt tool, and I want to remove the prompt just a little bit about what we have here. I want to go ahead and remove my image, plug in the one we grabbed over from Etsy just to be our new reference. Again, we're not going to use this as a copy, but so that the AI knows the overall patchwork style we are referring to. So I'm going to build out my prompt a little bit further. So I want to say with my prompt, change the color, themes, and elements to different themes and add in the popular text. And I want to say, make this into a sea turtle using the same patchwork style in the beach theme colors. And it knows what patch style I'm talking about here because I'm using a reference image. Now, for this particular item here, I don't want any text. So I'm going to put it here, do not add text. I'm going to go ahead and generate, and we'll see what we were able to get as a result. All right, and here's what we were able to get as a result. Look at our examples here. Notice how we have that patchwork style. You can see that it's definitely bringing in things related to the beach theme. Definitely brought in those nice colors. Here's another example as well, different variations of this. That's why I like running 4 variations, because we have so many options to choose from. This one came out great as well. But the one that I think really came out great is this one here. As you can see, look at the colors here, definitely filled out the beach themes. Even with the elements that are inside of the patchwork style, I think this is just an easy way to create high quality products and definitely scale this well by adding in popular design styles into a space, again, that really do not have these options. And if I head back over into summer trends, there's really nothing here that's offering this patchwork style that we can clearly see is making sales all over Etsy. So this is another way for you to fill in that gap and really be a trend setter, if you will, because we already know that the sea life creatures are doing well. We already know sea turtles are doing well. We can see data on this all over the place on Etsy. But again, when we head back over into the major niche area, there's not a lot of, number one, sea life creatures that has turtles. But if we go a little bit further, there's nothing really bringing in the current style of the patchwork that we have seen to work well all over Etsy. But if we can grab something totally unrelated to our niche, like this chicken patchwork style, and use creative prompt to really remix this, you can see how great of a result we are able to get. And I was able to turn this mock-up into a video mock-up here. As you can see, that clearly came out well with our overall design. And this is Vid Mock. I use this all the time to showcase my mock-ups in video style. If you want to get access to this as well, I'll make sure I leave a link to Vid Mock down below. You can get started with this for free. But as you can see, that came out well. And if I were to put in a very popular phrase that I have seen do well all over Etsy, like this very simple phrase, beach mama, you can see here that we simply put on the end of our prompt, make the text say beach mama, and look at the results we were able to get. We're talking about creating top trends for the summer niche. And we know clearly the sea life creatures are doing well. We know the patchwork style is doing well. But even adding in this popular phrase, the beach mama, could be an easy win for us, in my humble opinion, when we are trying to create high quality products. And all this was made literally within a few short seconds. So if you want to get access to the same tool and system I am using to create, but also sell these products on Etsy, again, this is all found within my creative prompt tool. I share with you just not how to use a tool to create high quality products, but also this is tied to my membership community, where I share with you all of the steps to actually sell this product well on Etsy. If you want to get access to everything I'm talking about in today's video, make sure you check out the link down below and watch this next video here where I share with you a very easy prompt you can use to scale these designs out even further. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.